So one final question. I wanted to know, let's say in 40 years, as you look back on WordPress, who knows what it'll be back then. In the future, what do you hope to feel when you think about this project you've been working on for so long?
The two things I'm most proud of are the impact on the web. So the fact that we have a philosophy and idea of how the web should be: open source, free, accessible, in every language. And what's the quote? The best way to predict the future is to invent it. We try to do that a little bit every day. So we try to embody the values that we hold dear. And by getting more and more people using WordPress, the web starts to resemble that as well. And so that always makes me happy. The fact that every WordPress website out there has a completely open API to all its content is powerful. And second, just the community of people around WordPress. It's my #1 favorite thing. Okay, right. Like, even if we were, we could be making anything. If it was the same group of people, I think it would be a lot of fun and it would kick butt. Every time I go to Wordcamps, every time I meet other developers, there's some folks who are core contributors or core developers, contributed tens of thousands of lines of code I haven't met yet.
Right. Okay.
Every time you do it, just it's because although we have very different backgrounds, we're from different countries, speak different languages, everything, we sort of have a shared vision, for an open democratic web, and that ties us together across a very diverse set of people. And so we have this common thing we all agree on, we're all excited about, which is great to have a mission there. But everyone's so different. And it's just interesting to learn, there's musicians, there's people who are really into, one of our folks, she used to be like a masseuse and do like hippie, massage therapy, energy healing type stuff. I mean, there's someone who's done everything, and it's just fascinating to hear stories and learn about it.
Excellent. Well, that was great to be able to speak to you today. Thank you for being with us on CityNet Magazine. Is there anything a last message that you wanted to shoot off to one of our to our audience?
Sure. If you want to check out WordPress, to get started, you can go to WordPress.com, or if you want to download it and hack on it yourself, if you're more technically advanced, go to WordPress.org.
Excellent. So have a great day. This is Tom Martin for CityNet Magazine. Stay tuned for more.